Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video right here on Dogecoin. We're going to do a full update. Congratulations with the breakout, because we have broken out. In this video, we will talk a little bit more about, can we actually hold this breakout? Is it a real breakout, etc. But for now, it's great, and the breakout itself was a little bit unexpected, right? Because if we talk about my last video on Dogecoin, what I said is that I did think we would be able to rally into 18.2 and 18.5 cents. So this entire move was as predicted. But then yesterday we got new momentum. And what I said is that I did not think we would be able to break out above this level right here. Now, we did speak a little bit in a couple of videos ago that, a breakout is always possible if the fundamentals are good enough. Right, so that is something we spoke about, but I did not expect the fundamentals to turn good enough in the time period that they turned good enough in, that we would get a breakout so far. But at this point of time, we have broken out above a major, very important resistance level right here with the value area high, and just in general a very respected level at 18.5 cents. So now the main question is for Dogecoin, can we actually hold that? And at this point of time, I have to say yes, and that's for multiple reasons, right? Because at this point of time, like, meme coins have done relatively well, but meme coins have not necessarily outperformed the markets. So there's no real meme coin narrative, which Dogecoin is getting a lot of momentum from, which is quite different from before. We've also not heard any relevant updates about the America Party of Elon Musk, which has also provided some momentum in the last 2 weeks. So the fundamentals for Dogecoin compared to some other coins are actually quite low, right? You see coins like Celestia, coins like Say, coins like Athena, with some other fundamentals specific to them, but you see those doing quite well and better than Dogecoin. However, if we look at the entire market, look, Bitcoin has had a breakout. I think it's unlikely that this is going to turn into a fake out. It's a possibility. I think it's unlikely. And then Dogecoin has gained these new fundamental catalysts, which can happen with the America Party, but also still with a meme coin season kind of coming later, which can push the prices up higher, right? So I think that that this is a real breakout. We also already had a daily close above that level at around, let's say, 18 cents to give us a bit of a buffer. So with that, we have broken above the 50 EMA. We've done so with relatively high volume. You can also see that we've left some imbalances right here to the downside. That's good to know. So that means that at least I think it's quite likely that we are still going to fill the upper imbalances. We also have imbalances around 17.5 cents. I think those are unlikely to get filled. But I think that I think we'll fill some of those imbalances. But I do think, given the momentum that we've seen not only for Dogecoin with this breakout, but also in the entire markets, and if you bundle it up with some fundamental potential, I think it's most likely that we are going to rally up higher. We still have, yes, we have imbalances to the downside, but if you zoom all the way out, we surely have imbalances to the upside as well. We have a single print at 21.5 cents. We have a naked POC right here at 22.5 cents. And we even have imbalances all the way at 24.5 cents, which is all the way up here. Right, so more bullish momentum. Let's take 21.5 cents as the first price target. I do expect, however, short term, I think it's a little bit more likely, also with the 200 EMA being around 20 cents, that we are going to pull back from there. We're going to find some resistance, fill the imbalances, bounce, and then continue up higher. But those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know regarding Dogecoin for now. I think that's good preparation for all the possibilities. This is all assuming that the fundamentals around the market stay relatively, fine. So keep that in mind. But that's it. That's what I think you need to know. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.